If gold mining is so bad, why are we always cleaning up after everybody else? Seriously.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So with everything going on, we haven't really had any chances to get out. I was gonna go down to the beach and get some gold, but they closed the beaches on me. So I came back to work and I've got a break between jobs and I find myself along the Molalla River here in Oregon. My buddy Frank gets some gold here, so we're gonna come down, we're gonna scrape around, see if we can find any gold before we have to go to another job, because I wanna get some gold on the channel. So let's go.
So you can see that I don't have much bank around here, but I do have some big rocks right here. So I think I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna dig underneath here and see if we can find anything.
All right, so let's see what the first pan yields. I already got blood. Usually a good sign. So it might look a little different today because I'm filming on my iPhone. I didn't bring my GoPro with me. I didn't expect to be along a river. Get some of these heavy rocks out of here first. Tiny, tiny gold.
So I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see, but right in here, there's some very, very fine gold.
I'd have to say that gold is even smaller than what we get down at the Cape, so I must be getting the absolute top layer of the flood. I imagine there's some good gold right out there though. I wish I could get over here to this bar. It's a nice bar over here. We'll do a couple more test pans here, and then hopefully I'll get a job. But at least we got a few specks of gold so far, so that's nice. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, I got another pan done, and we found a little bit bigger gold. Granted, it's still small.
If you look right here, you can see that little speck of gold.
So it is here, and it's in along the rocks like we always expect them to be. Do we have a lot of time to sit here and pan out more? Of course not. I've got another job I've got to go do. I think I'm going to be able to get one more pan in before we leave. If I find something, I'll show you. If not, I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I know it was kind of a short video, but it's really hard to get out right now with the virus. So I was happy to get even just a few minutes along the river today to get in some pans. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Even a thumbs down helps the channel. Subscribing, you'll know when I put out new videos, so hit that button down below. And thank you for joining me today, guys. I really look forward to seeing you again here soon. And like always, bye.